Today is a Saturday of firsts. So what I have in this little juicy Love 41 box is a leather that I never have had before. So I'm super excited about that. I also have on a new foundation, which you don't care about, but I care about. And then I have also a night out, which I've never had a night out. We've never had, I'll talk while I unbox. So this isn't 17 hours long. So I've never had like a night out. We've never had our kid babysat. I know, we're totally weird. But so we are now, and I am super excited. And I think I'm gonna bring this. This is gonna be my clutch for tonight. I don't know why I'm so excited about this. I think it's just because I've never had it and I hear so much about it, but here it is. Is it not so cute? So it's the natural leather, and the natural leather gets a lot of airtime because it changes and it patinas. And let me just show it to you before I untape it, because I know it's gonna take me a little while to untape it. But anyways, it gets a lot of airtime because it changes, and it, I feel like it's a souvenir, right? Because it darkens every time you touch it. It darkens every time you grab it. It tells a story. It's never gonna be as this sort of pale pink natural color as it is right this second. And let me just do this so you can really appreciate all the character. I'm very, very, very excited about this. And then of course with their subtle branding that I love. So let me get in here. One of the things I really love about this is that it lays flat. So you know, I have my red handle clutch and I have my saddleback big wallet that I can't seem to move on from. And this is sort of a nice in between, right? Because I wanted a clutch, but I was just sort of endlessly throwing all my credit cards into the red clutch and it didn't work out. So I am really excited to add this to my arsenal. So anyways, check it out. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll come back, of course, and do like a more accurate view for you. But in the interim, it's got 6 card slots, and then you could tuck something in behind here. See, they have their card. There's a flap here and a flap here, a zipper, because if you follow me on IG, you know I travel all the time for work. And the receipts like eat me alive. Like, I do not have a system for the receipts, and it pains me. So I'm super excited about, sorry, it's hard to zip and talk. So I'm super excited about this because I feel like it's going to help me be a little bit more organized. And then this here too. So, and I think I can throw my phone in there, and I'm just excited. Or I could throw my phone back here. Look at this. I took a quick break because I thought it'd be super fun if anyone else was on the fence and got this wallet. Get yours now, and we'll do sort of like, I don't know, we'll patina together. It'll be like a hashtag Love 41 patina. Anyways, and so we can age it together. But if you were on the fence, I thought I'm going to show you. You can hear my kiddo laughing. We got a trampoline in the backyard. She's having the time of her life. So you may hear a little squeak squeak, which is fine. But anyways, if you were on the fence and you have their other products and you were thinking of getting it, I thought I'd just show you really quick, like a size comparison. So this is more of a, you know, it's just a pocket inside with a zipper, but so it's wider, but I feel like this clutch has more organization, and then it's obviously taller. This one, look at all my thingies. I'm so bad. Anyways, I'm still like that person that when I go on a hotel like trip, I like print out the reservation in case for whatever reason you're like claim that you can't find it. Anyway, so here's this. This is a saddleback big wallet. I've had this for 8,000 years and I'm so hard on it. So you can see it's like all scratched up, but they're pretty comparable in size. And I'll do this. This one's like a little wider, mostly because of the strap, and then just show it to you like this. So I thought that might be useful, even though this is just an unboxing. And then I wanted to show you, this is my super beat up Samsung Galaxy S7 and the pocket on the exterior. I'm sure it'll fit, but I'm sure it'll be tight at first, but I wanted to show that to you. Yes, it fits. So anyways, if you're on the fence about getting a natural, get it now, and let's do the patina together. The other thing that I wanted to mention to you that is so unique about this is it's crazy butter soft. So it's unlike any of my other Love 41 products. So maybe when they tan them, it somehow toughens the leather, because this is crazy. It's like velvety. Anyways, so this is day 1. Take a look. Stay tuned for how it darkens and patinas and all that good stuff. And thank you so much for watching.